Let off about 6:30ish or something like that. People are noisy in the hotel all night. Didn't have a great sleep, but I am in and going. Yeah, it's still trying to kill me. Unbelievable fuel consumption though, this thing. I'm sat at 135 kilometers an hour and I'm doing 55 miles a gallon. 55 miles a gallon, like at 85 miles an hour. It's just nuts. I've done 948 kilometres in total since I left Amsterdam, since I left Newcastle. There's about 229 kilometres still left in the tank. The halfway point is about Lyon. It's a little bit past Lyon, which is when I'm going to be able to find somewhere, hopefully that's not too expensive to refuel. Because France motorway, lucky you get change from €2 a litre. So I know how many litres the tank does. Am I allowed to just get me over the Spanish border with like €30 and then fill the rest up with the right amount when I get cheaper fuel? We'll see what we find. If it's 170, I don't care. Like, what, €2.09 a litre? I can't justify that. It's mental, especially when my local one's 125. But yeah, no rain at the minute. It's just misty. I was just saying to my wife there, I've not seen France since I got into it because it's been raining, so I can't see anything. And I woke up this morning, dark, misty. Nothing to miss though, is there? There's nothing there. Boring country, especially through the middle. South Coast is nice, give it that. Paris is a shithole, but yeah, onwards. Let's see how far we can go. I think about 13.5 hours-ish, quite a way still. 150 kilometres left in this tank. I should really, actually, I'm going to do that. Find a petrol station that isn't on a motorway while I'm here. Do an early pit stop, I think. Save a bit of money. And hopefully that's enough to get me back. We'll see. So after making the decision, I'm going to go and get some fuel. I still had like 160 kilometers left in it, but bloody Google, man. I've just been for a little tour of Lyon, round and about. So I'm just, basically, I don't think I'm any further south, and I've been driving for 15 minutes to a petrol station because it's the only one for 4 hours. Well, I just clicked it and I thought it was only 16 minutes, 10-minute detour. That's fine, no problem. I'm left, right and bloody centre and it's still sending me on one that's off a motorway. Anyway, I'm on 107 kilometres now, done 1,025.
In 3 kilometres, take the exit.
I'm going to might just stick a full tank in. This is probably going to be 180 something. I just want to get home now, so I can't bother with all the faff. But will that get me home? We'll see. Slower roads in Spain, like, to be fair, so it might. So that's the first fill up after England, Amsterdam. Done just over 1,050 miles or something. Kilometers. Still had about 150 left or something like that. And I found a pump station at 161, which is cheap for what I've seen. What a machine. Amazing miles per gallon. Will I get home on it? Possibly not. I'm not putting super in this time. Can't justify it. But we're not going to be far away. We're definitely going to be in Alicante region. I'll say that. Houston, we have a problem. I've now got a low tyre warning. I haven't checked them today because it did 700 or 500 or whatever it was kilometers, and it was all 4 of them were bang on. Now I've got a warning to say I've got a low tyre. Don't know how I'm going to get all these videos into a 3-minute short. Like, Jesus Christ, that's 5 garages, petrol stations I've been, and it's only 10 past 10. I swear to God. So flat warning light on, went to the bloody Alps petrol station, and it doesn't even seem to be that bad. But it wasn't really, it was hissing when I was doing it. So let's go to a proper one that fills it up. Goes to a Shell off the motorway, exactly the same machine. I'm like, well, maybe this one will leak. And yeah, it was broken. But the fucking speed bumps going in, I was going so slowly, like 3 or 4 miles an hour. Fucking bottomed out in the fucking car. And the next day I just have a fucking line of fucking oil behind us. I swear to God. So I'm going to shit. Well, the project car now, this. I knew it was going to be a bit of a project anyway. It's a bit few things to do, like, but I'm noticing more and more as I go along, like this trim where they've closed the door, not once or twice, multiple times with the seatbelt in, and it's dinted it to fuck. Where I'll get one of those trims from, I don't know. I hope it's the same. It's not, is it? Well, I don't know. I hope it's the same as the passenger side, because otherwise I'm going to have to get a right-hand drive one, and that won't be easy in Spain. Now I don't know if I've got a flat tyre, because that flat tyre warning light won't come off, because even if you do what you're meant to do, because I've got the fucking, what's it called, airbag light on, well, apart from superseding it, doesn't let you do the process properly because there's more than one light on. You kind of got to knock the airbag light off to then get it, but then it doesn't come on solid all the time because they're flashing through them all, so I can't just delete it, and I've stuck my OBD on and that won't get rid of it either, so honestly, and I've still got like 12 hours. I'm just going to get Spain, and when I do stop, maybe try and get some tyres put on it all round, just fuck them all off. The wheels need a refurb, and the rear suspension, potentially the front links need doing as well. See that in the distance there? That's Spain. Sunshine of Spain, 40 kilometers away, and I just can't wait to get there. Need some food, some coffee, and plan what I'm gonna do, because I'm never, ever getting there today, I don't think. Even if I carried on now without stopping, it's... And we made it. In Spain, look at the blue sky. Not seen this for a week. There she is, mucky, but made it. Not back home quite yet, but she did alright. Amazing on the fuel. Amazing. 5 minutes into Spain, there's not even a cloud in the sky. First thing I had to do is put my shade in the mini window. It's right in my face. Can't see. Beautiful. Might turn the aircon on, put the roof down. It's 18 degrees. It's December. Honest, it's just been so miserable in France. Honest, lush, love it. Not allowed to do that, mate, get told off. Sun is setting on day 2, is what it is. Can't really be helped with what's been going on with this car, the other car. But I'm stopping in about 45 minutes, catch a quick beer before that sets, get my head down. I'm only 4 hours from the house and should be on to getting back in 2 tanks, even when I refueled a little early.